Welcome back, where we dive into the world of two wheels and everything motorcycling. If you're a fan of speed, performance, and cutting-edge technology, you're in for a treat today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're exploring the 2025 BMW S1000RR. This bike is not just a masterpiece of engineering, it's a statement in the superbike segment, blending blistering performance with advanced technology and an unmistakable design. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just a motorcycle enthusiast, you'll want to stick around as we unpack everything this machine has to offer. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 S1000RR retains the aggressive styling that has made it a standout in the superbike category. The sharp lines and aerodynamic bodywork are designed not just for looks but for performance. BMW has maintained its iconic asymmetrical headlights, which not only look striking but also provide enhanced visibility. The paint schemes for 2025 are absolutely stunning, with a mix of classic BMW colors and new offerings that reflect a modern twist. The color choices enhance the bike's aggressive demeanor and will certainly turn heads on the road or track. Now, moving on to the heart of this beast, the engine. The 2025 S1000RR continues to feature the powerful 999cc inline-4 engine that has garnered acclaim in previous models. What's new for 2025 is an increase in peak power, pushing out an impressive 205 horsepower at 13,500 RPM. This means that on the track or even during spirited rides, you'll feel the raw power available at your fingertips. Torque delivery is also enhanced, providing a more linear and usable power band across different RPM ranges. This change makes the bike not only more exciting but also easier to handle, especially for those who might be new to the superbike world. Let's delve into performance metrics. With a top speed exceeding 200 mph, the S1000RR continues to assert itself as a dominant force in the superbike arena. Acceleration is mind-blowing, with the bike capable of going from 0 to 60 mph just under 3 seconds. This kind of performance is made possible by the lightweight chassis and advanced electronics. Speaking of electronics, the 2025 model is packed with technology designed to enhance both safety and performance. The bike features a sophisticated traction control system that adjusts power delivery based on the road conditions and rider input. This system is crucial for both wet and dry riding, allowing for confidence-inspiring handling regardless of the environment. Additionally, the S1000RR comes with multiple riding modes: rain, road, dynamic, and race, each tailored to different riding conditions and styles. Each mode adjusts the throttle response, ABS settings, and traction control to suit the rider's preferences, making this bike incredibly versatile. Now, let's not forget about the braking system. The S1000RR is equipped with top-of-the-line brakes, featuring Brembo calipers and a powerful 320mm front disc setup. This means that stopping power is equally impressive as acceleration, providing the rider with a complete package in performance. Another fantastic feature for 2025 is the inclusion of the updated dynamic suspension. BMW's Dynamic Damping Control (DDC) adjusts the suspension settings in real time based on road conditions and riding style. This technology ensures that the bike remains stable and composed, whether you're navigating through twisty back roads or tearing down the track. Let's talk about the cockpit. The S1000RR boasts a TFT display that is larger and more user-friendly than ever. The display provides all the essential information, from speed and RPM to gear position and riding mode. It's customizable, so you can set it up to show the data that matters most to you. Additionally, the bike features a Bluetooth connectivity option, allowing you to connect your smartphone for navigation, music, and calls, all while keeping your focus on the ride. For those who prioritize comfort, the ergonomics of the S1000RR have been tweaked slightly for 2025. The seat is designed to provide better support during long rides, and the handlebar positioning offers a more comfortable riding posture, which is a significant improvement for riders who spend extended periods on the bike. Now, let's discuss the exhaust note. The 2025 S1000RR has a new exhaust system that not only enhances performance but also delivers a deeper, more aggressive sound that truly embodies the spirit of a superbike. The roar of the engine as you open the throttle is exhilarating, creating an emotional connection between the rider and the machine. In terms of competition, the S1000RR is up against some serious contenders, like the Yamaha ZF-R1, Kawasaki ZX-10R, and the Ducati Panigale V4. Each of these bikes brings unique characteristics to the table, but the S1000RR stands out with its blend of technology and performance. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 S1000RR starts at a competitive price point, making it an attractive option for those in the market for a high-performance superbike. Of course, the final cost can vary based on optional packages and features, but overall, it represents great value for what you get in terms of technology and performance. If you're considering purchasing the S1000RR, I'd recommend taking it for a test ride. The experience of riding this machine is something that needs to be felt firsthand. The combination of power, handling, and technology creates an adrenaline rush that's hard to replicate. In summary, the 2025 BMW S1000RR is a superbike that continues to push boundaries. With its stunning design, powerful engine, advanced electronics, and impressive handling, it's a worthy addition to any enthusiast's garage. Whether you're hitting the track or enjoying a weekend ride, the S1000RR promises an unforgettable experience. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the 2025 BMW S1000RR. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.